Peace tech lovers, TechTube here back with a new video. First, let me ask you, have you seen the first AR smartphone presentation? If you did not, then worry not, as in today's video, I'll be talking about the new Oneplus Nord, covering all of its aspects, so let's go. Hello guys, Oneplus made history by doing the first AR launch for a smartphone. I know people would ask why, as this may limit their exposure cause not so many people are familiar with AR technology. Well, my answer would be simply they do not care, since the hype about this phone started long time ago as people started questioning the company main objectives, as they started as a flagship killers. But that wasn't the case for the past few years, as they kept making more expensive phones, taking for example the latest smartphone, the Oneplus 8 Pro, which start from $900. So going back to the $400 territory was important for the company to address that issue of value to price ratio. And to set your expectations, this new phone is very well balanced. The Nord is a full package for the set price of €400 or $465. And for the specs you're getting for that price, in details starting with the screen type, it's gonna be Super AMOLED display, 6.44 inches, 1080 by 2400 pixels, with an aspect ratio of 20:9, with a density of 408 pixels per inch, and a refresh rate of 90 Hz, which is starting to be the new theme for budget phones now. So in my opinion, we cannot see the display getting any better in this price range, and the gap is getting closer and closer to match the qualities of some premium phones. The chipset is from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 765G, with 7nm technology and the support of 5G networks, so I expect some decent performance coming out of this phone that can be compared to some high-end phones, as this phone will be running on 8 to 12 gigs of RAM, and the internal storage will be 128 or 256 gigs, with the option to expand it with a micro SD card, which is very important, especially if you like to take as many photos or videos. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button right here to support me making more videos like this. Now getting back to the cameras, the Oneplus Nord is going to have an AI quad camera setup. The main shooter will be 48 megapixel with an aperture of 1.75 wide angle, and the second camera is 8 megapixels with an aperture of 2.2 ultra wide angle and a 5 megapixels depth camera, and finally the 2 megapixel macro lens with an aperture of 2.4. Next to that is the dual LED flash. This setup will be able to shoot 4K videos at 30 FPS. And for more sharp selfies on the front, there will be two cameras, a 32 megapixel with an aperture of 2.0 wide angle that can shoot videos of 1080p at 30 FPS, and 8 megapixel as a secondary shooter for more depth. Again, this camera setup is going to be more than enough for most people, and I expect some tweaks to be taking place over the time using software updates to fix any issues and to add more features related to AI and augmented reality applications. For the security of the Oneplus Nord, it's gonna come with an under-display fingerprint optical sensor and of course the face recognition from the selfie camera. But the under-display sensor should be reliable and sufficient, and I expect it to be one of the fastest considering the price of this phone. And my other favorite part besides the reasonable pricing is the battery, as it's packed with a 4100 milliamps, which can easily get you through the day no matter what kind of activities you're having on your phone. And if you need to charge it, then worry not, as it comes with a 30 watts fast charger that can charge up to 70% in just 30 minutes. Furthermore, the Oneplus Nord will be in blue marble and grey onyx colors with glossy finish instead of a frosted matte finish, and the design appears to miss out a headphone jack as the company is launching a new earbuds. Interestingly, Oneplus revealed that the earbuds will deliver up to 30 hours of playback time for a price of $79, which is a fair price added to the bill, as most companies now are heading to the completely wireless experience. Also, Pete Lau, the co-founder, previously said in a forum post, "As we have always done when we're trying something new, we're going to start relatively small with this new product line by first introducing it in Europe and India. But don't worry, we're also looking to bring more affordable smartphones to North America in the near future as well." So this is a great news for people who live in the United States, as they may finally get a taste of a real budget phone experience. Nevertheless, this new move is likely to be helpful in attracting customers who are avoiding Oneplus lately due to premium pricing. So that's it guys for today's video, and thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and please stay safe, stay home, see you in the next video. Peace out.